Hi there. When we're looking at concepts like quality assurance and organizational culture, we're likely to come across a concept called Kaizen. So let's take a quick look and see what this is all about. Kaizen? Well, it's all about a concept and an organizational culture of continuous improvement, constantly looking for small ways, many small ways in which parts of the business can be improved, leading to an overall improvement in quality and innovation. So Kaizen's all about everyone in the organization actively looking for those small ways to improve things. That's this concept of continuous improvement. And it can be a variety of different things. It could be finding ways to ensure that the capacity of the business is utilized at a higher rate. It could be finding one or more small ways to reduce the waste from the production process, or to reduce the risk that things go wrong in the process or the activities of the business. It could be something around a specific improvement project to make the business more energy efficient, or to use a higher degree of recycled materials. But it could also be about the service that the business delivers. So many small ways in which the customer can get a better experience from a customer service point of view. And finally, of course, you can also improve the information that the people in the business, particularly the managers of the business, receive in order to help them make better decisions. So that's what we mean by Kaizen. Lots and lots of small ways of improving continuously the activities of the business. Hopefully that's been useful.